Hi friends, just received my new tie-down ratchet straps. Let me open them before we test them. Okay, here they are. We have four ratchet straps. Okay. Here they are. Okay. Great. Let's try them. Okay, so to prepare these ratchet straps, first you want to open this part, pressing this lock and putting them like this. And that way you can move this part freely. You just pass it through here and back, like that. And then you can start doing the ratcheting. So it will be really, really strong, okay? Then, well, when you are actually using it in your car or in your cargo or whatever you want it, you do this ratcheting until you get it really, really tight, okay? And when you want to lose it, when you want to uninstall it, you lose this lock again. You open it, lose this lock again, and move it here, and this part will move freely. Like this, okay? It will just be free, okay? Like this, okay. Perfect, let's try them. You get also this extra strap if you need to connect two of them, if you need to do any kind of loop with the straps or with the tight ropes, you get these loops so you can secure your cargo or whatever is you are going to be traveling with, okay? So this is the set, 4 ratchet straps, 4 soft loops, ready to travel.